Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Um, this week, we're going to do some lessons that you're going to be able to see on the screen, and I'm going to walk you through them. As you know, the last three have been Battle of the Band related. So, we are going to do reading notation on the next lesson. On this lesson, we're still going to kind of apply that notation, and I'll explain that here in just a moment. First, we had the Battle of the Songs. And in the Battle of the Songs, we had a quartet. If you remember from lesson 6, we had a quartet. And it was between the song Let It Go and Disney Medley. And I tallied up the results today, and the winner is Disney Medley. It won by over 35 votes. That is our largest win so far. However, to those of you guys that said Let It Go, that's a great song too. And you know me as a music teacher, I liked them both. I was curious which ones you guys were going to like. And a lot of people said they like the string sound. And they also like the Disney medley more because it was more than one song. So they could change songs as they sing through. So that is the last of the challenge for now. Like I said on lesson 6, I do know that several of you guys have requested to do that maybe towards the end of the year when we're wrapping up, not a lot of study left to do. So I might bring back one more battle round for you guys. Okay, so moving on for this week. This week, we are going to continue notation, continue steady beats. I have some interactive stuff that we're going to do together. Now, I want to keep that steady beat focus. It's something we can do all the way through the year, regardless of grade level. So first, I want to think about what in the world is a steady beat. We have learned K through part of 3 that our steady beat is called ta, or ta, 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 ta. It's nice and steady. It does not change, right? In our old grade levels, we use that as the corner note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we even talked about mixing rhythms into a steady beat pattern, like ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, or 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That is something I was able to snap to if you heard the snapping in the background. Another way to tell if a beat is steady is a pat clap, which we've done a lot of times in our class. I'll play music and I'll say, can we pat and clap to it? Bum, 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 da, 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 da. Well, that's all a steady beat because we were able to snap to it, clap to it, pat, clap, whatever. If it's not a steady beat, we can't figure it out. For example, I'm going to make a weird sound effect. Could we count that? We couldn't. There was no way to do that. Or okay, like wind. Some things that we have in our own home, no matter what we do to it, is not going to make a steady sound. What we're going to do right now is an activity, and I'm going to play all of the sounds first. You can see it on the screen. It's called beat or no beat. And then there's going to be a part 2 that you're going to send me your comments on to finish your assignment. Now on beat or no beat, if you're looking at the screen with me, we see 4 on the left and 4 on the right. What I will tell you is that there are 2 on each side that have a steady beat, and 2 on each side that do not have a steady beat. We cannot clap to it. We cannot snap to it. Okay? We have to figure out which ones seem like we can move to it, we can dance, we can groove to it, and which ones are just random sounds. If it's a random sound, it has no beat. So first I want to look for my steady beats. Let's look at only the left side and let me play each one for you. This is the firecracker. Okay. This is the train. Here's the clock. And here's wind. Now, two of those have a steady beat. Okay. I'm curious. Do you think that the fireworks, I don't know why I said rocket, the fireworks have a steady beat? Does that feel like I can do that? I don't think so. Remember, there's only two. Let's try the next one. Let's try the train. Ooh! That one, I was able to snap a nice steady beat to it. I'm going to drag and drop that one onto the steady beat line. Let's go down to the wind. That was hard. What about this one? Did you see me bouncing my head? I could keep a beat to it. So I'm going to drag that over to steady beat. Now, remember I said there was two. So let's re-listen to these other two. Oh, you're right. I can't keep a beat to that. So I'm going to go ahead and move him down to no beat. And then the wind. So we'll go ahead and move them over. Okay, that means we're on the right side of the screen now. We have a waterfall, a basketball, rain, and a drum. I'm going to play a little bit of each, and then we're going to see how it lines up. Okay, let's just listen first. Here's the waterfall. Okay, what about the basketball? The rain. The drum. Were you able to figure out the steady beats? I think you probably were on this one. This one I'm going to take a little bit faster. I'm just going to play each one more time. And then when I call on it, you're going to yell through the screen and you're going to tell me no beat or steady beat. Okay, so I'm going to play it and then you're going to tell me. Here we go. Okay, on the count of three, you either have to say steady beat or no beat. 1, 2, 3. Did you say no beat? You are correct. Good job. Let's listen to the next one. Got your answer? Gotta tell me, steady beat or no beat. 1, 2, 3. Yes, steady beat is correct. Way to go. You guys are catching on. How about the next one? Steady beat or no beat. 1, 2, 3. That is a no beat. It is hard with the rain because you hear the pitter patter, but it didn't keep it consistent. Good job. I I think we know where this one goes, but let's just double check. Okay, steady beat or no beat? 1, 2, 3. That's right. It is a steady beat. Now, if some of those were tricky to you guys, feel free to review that. So this is the part that I would love in a private comment this week. There are things around your house that keep steady beats. There are things around your house that do not keep a steady beat. I wonder, turning on a water fountain or just your water or your bath water or shower. I wonder if that would be steady or not. I wonder if just dropping coins is a steady beat, or dropping money, if it makes a steady beat or a swoosh sound. What about flipping pages through a book? As you're take whatever book you're reading from Ms. Hagedorn's suggestion and flip through it. Does it make a steady beat, or does it just kind of go whoosh through? Think about things in your house, not necessarily the 3 that I mentioned. I would love you to tell me something in your house that you can keep a steady beat with. And maybe something that you have just lying around your house, and no matter what you do, you cannot keep a steady beat with that thing or on that thing. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about what keeps a steady beat and a not steady beat in a private comment or a dojo. I will be checking, and then I will see you again later this week. All right, take care, everybody.